I am bullish on BTCM under the $7 levels. I am bullish on BTCM. Now today in our own trading community, guys, we did go ahead and pick up some BTCM at the $6.50 levels, and it looks like it's doing extremely well right now, guys, as I'm watching the chart. Now I'm going to try to come out more with these kind of semi-live trading videos, if you were to call them, right, where I do live commentary on the ticker as it's moving. Now we're approaching the market open in about 7 minutes, and we do have a sell order for about $7.30 for approximately a third of our position. If you go over here in the chat today, this is exactly what I said. I said that we're going ahead. So I was like, I'm buying half of my preferred allocation of BTCM under $6.50, and then I'm saving another half in case it does drop down to $5.13, which it ended up not doing, right? And I sent the voice audio note exactly explaining why I'm buying it.
Good morning, gang. I am bullish on BTCM at the levels that it's sitting on right now, sub 650 level.
Bam, right? And then I said that we're closing a third at $7.30. When you go over here, you see that it actually, right now, what is it trading at right now? There we go, 721. Let's see if you can actually test 730. Now, why am I bullish on this ticker? Is it because they have so much cash? Is it because of the why, the what, or the who, right? Or the where, right? And I think that this is one of the most important things when it comes to, we always talk about this, right? The why, the what, the where, right? The why being the catalyst that the stock is running off of, the what being the stock analysis, and then the where being the chart, right? Does the chart look really bullish? Is it the stock, the company looking really good, or is it a catalyst play? For me, BTCM is purely a catalyst play. That's all it is. That's all it will be. Purely a catalyst play. And I previously told you guys this as well, right? Where I said, listen, when it comes to stocks like BTCM, right, you got to understand that the company just announced Bitmining bets big on Solana. Plans up to $300 million investment to build a long-term crypto treasury. Long-term crypto treasury. Have we heard this? Have we heard this catalyst recently, guys? I mean, every single company that's got nothing going for them is now starting a Bitcoin treasury. This is the most common theme that we're seeing everywhere. Bitcoin treasury. Hey everyone, Bitcoin treasury. Bitcoin treasury. We're starting a Bitcoin treasury, everyone. Hey everyone, we're starting a Bitcoin treasury. We're starting a crypto treasury, Solana treasury, Ethereum treasury. Guess what happens to their stocks? Guess what happens to their stocks? This is what happens to their stocks. They go crazy. They go nuts. And the thing is that they don't just pump and dump. They pump, dump, and then actually raise back to those levels. So if you go back to SQVS, SVQS, was that what it was? SQSV. Okay, let me look this up real quick because I did also drop an alert on that the other day as well. SQNS, okay? SQNS. Right? When you look at SQNS, right, the company had pretty much the exact same catalyst. Let's go read the catalyst over here. We're launching a $384 million strategic investment to launch a Bitcoin treasury initiative. So over and over and over and over again, we're seeing a repeating trend, right, in the markets. Now, we can anticipate the price action on BTCM based off of what we've seen previously from all these other tickers, right? Which is, it's going to be volatile, but it's going to be volatile to the upside, and then it's going to give us a massive rug like this, but then it's going to kind of crawl slowly back to these levels, right? Now, it may not test 11 again, but it will test 8. So if you bought the dip down over here at 650, congratulations. You're going to do very well, right? Like we did this morning. So for me, guys, when it comes to BTCM, right, it's one of those tickers that's, it's going to be here for like a week and then it's going to go away, right? Now, if you bought it anywhere above 10, I think you're silly. I think that you took way too much risk when it comes to this play. But for me, and this is the problem, right? You have a ticker like SBT, right, that people are now using as a comparison to this ticker. When you go over here, let's take a look at SBT, right? You have SBT, which people are using as a comparison to, which ran from $2.50 all the way to upwards of $124. So you have a lot of FOMO going on when it comes to plays like BTCM right now. And that's why you got to stay patient. You got to stay patient, man. You got to understand that, hey, listen, it's not all fun and games, right? It's not all, it's not a freaking fairy tale over here, right? And things can go south, and things can go south very, very fast, okay? For example, this should go into 627 and then dumping now. It's really annoying, okay? It's really annoying, but it is what it is, right? Market opens around the corner. I think that market open, we are going to get a big boom to the upside. And if it comes down to 5, guess what? we allocated some shares to go ahead and pick up some shares at 5, okay? So for me, that's what I think about this ticker right now, right? Now, again, I do see it going up over here and testing this view up at 790, okay? So that's the levels that I'm planning on selling, okay? I'm selling a third at $7.30, and then the rest I'm selling at closer to 790, okay? So again, you got to know what's going on in the markets. You got to be aware of what's going on in the markets. You got to be aware of catalysts that are trending right now in the markets, right? It's like if there's a new catalyst regarding, weed stocks, right? Oh my God, this company just got a new weed thing. Oh yeah, well, all the weed stocks are not going crazy. Or, oh my goodness, this company, I remember a couple of years ago, right? It was, this was the catalyst that every single company was attaching themselves to, right? We're taking action against the shorts. We're taking action against the dark pool volume and the naked shorting. What does that even mean? How are you taking action against dark pool volume and naked shorting? What are you doing that's exactly taking it? We're finding a lawyer to go talk to them. What does that even mean? What is that? And I'll tell you guys this right now. Do I have to believe in this catalyst? No, I don't believe in this catalyst one bit. I think it's the most bullshit catalyst ever. I think every single company out there wants to become the next fucking MicroStrategy, so they're attaching themselves and they're diluting their investor base in order to become the next MicroStrategy, right? Look at this. $200 to $300 million, okay? But how are they raising this money? They're doing it by selling your shares. That's how they're doing it, okay? They're doing it by, they don't have a product to sell. They don't have anything. They're gonna do this by selling your shares, okay? So do I even gotta believe in the catalyst for me to even think that, oh my God, it'll go up? No. I don't gotta believe in anything, okay? But let's see what the price action looks like right over here. This is gonna be super important. The market's just open. Let's see what happens over here. If we break above this $7.30 level, I almost want to cancel my $7.30 level order, guys. I'm going to go ahead and do so. Add everyone. Cancel 7.3. Sell order. We'll say we'll close it out at. We'll close her out at. I'm thinking maybe I should do 721. At everyone. Do 714 for a third. Instead, massive resistance at 7.3. Okay. Let's see. I mean, the thing is, though, it's probably going to break above this level anyways, but it doesn't make sense for me to have my sell order at, oh, well, there we go. Never mind. It just broke that shit. Right? So why did I cancel my $7.30 order? Right? Why did I cancel my $7.30 order? Right? Let's talk about it. So you see this level over here, right? This was the 719 level. Or not, this was a 727 level. So if we have strong resistance at $7.27, let's go in the 1 minute. The 1 minute will show us better exactly what I'm talking about. So if you have a strong resistance at $7.27 and my exit is $7.30, well, that doesn't make sense, does it? Because if we break $7.27, no shit we're gonna get above $7.30, right? So I gotta pick, hey, am I gonna go way above or am I gonna go way below? Right? And I chose to go way below, and maybe I was wrong, but I was clearly wrong because he broke out, and look, right now it just gave us the test of that $7.80 level again, right? Which is really good, which is really, really solid. But again, right? There you go. That's a solid trade. At everyone, rest filled at 7.8. Bang. Just like that. Just like that. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Okay? For the people that go like, oh, you're this, you're that. Listen, if you want to receive alerts from me, if you want to trade alongside me every single day, check out the community. The link is in the comment section in the description. Okay? And that's it. Okay? 7-day free trial as well. 30 days money back guarantee. We have over 400 members coming back month after month. There's a reason why they do so. It's because they're making money. Okay? It's because they're making money. They're kicking ass. Maybe pause it and read some of these. Right? My mom brought in 7K in 7 days. Like, I think I can remember shit. I'm like, bro, you can afford this shit for like the next decade. Right? But we've been kicking ass. We've been kicking ass day in, day out. So check it out, guys. Check it out. The link is in the comment section and description. And right now as well, we do still have a couple of spots left for the 50% discount. Being with Sam helped me realize that I need to... This is what we're doing here, okay? This is the type of shit we're doing here, right? Do I feel gassed up reading that? Yes. But look at this. My man brought in 51K off of SMCI. So glad I joined this Discord. Let's jump to present day. 7.4%, 1600 CLDI. Yesterday we made a killing on CLDI. Give it a shot. Give it a shot. You won't regret it. Okay? I promise you that much. The 7-day free trial is literally free. And then after that, you have a 30 days to decide if you want to pay for the community or not, right? It comes with day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts, lessons, one-on-one access, you name it, we got it. Thank you for watching. Happy Wednesday in trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.